morning, everyone. We're back at the sawmill this morning. I've got 19 logs to try and cut this morning. They're 8 feet long. Most of them are only going to yield about a 6-inch or an 8-inch wide board. So there's a lot of rot on the outside of them. They've been sitting around for a little while, but we're going to try and salvage as much as we can. Let's see if we can burn through all these this morning. So we got, I believe, 10 logs cut up, and this is what we ended up with. I got a nice stack of 1x6s and a nice stack of 1x8s. I roughly calculated it up, and it looks like we've got just about 330 board feet or so, if my math is correct, which it might not be, but not bad for a couple hours sawing and videoing, and had my neighbors come over and say hi and chit chat with them for a little bit, and then another person stopped by and talked with them. So it wasn't straight through sawing. So I'm pretty pleased with that. So I didn't get all of the logs cut up like I wanted to. I think I still have 9 or so left, but made progress nonetheless. But I'm gonna go in and eat some lunch, and then it'll be time to go pick up the kids from school. So thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one.